Tired of constant reminders? Here's how to turn off break notification and stay focused in threads. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to turn off break reminders in Threads app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, tap the Threads app icon on your device to open the app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app is open, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. In your profile screen, look for the two horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap this to open the app settings. In the menu, tap on the notification and click on the From Threads option under the push notification. Now look for the reminder option. Furthermore, you will see an option to turn them off or on. Simply tap on the off. Finally, you have turned off your break reminder in Threads app. So this is how to turn off break reminder in Threads app. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.